Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamathamang. Today I bring for you all lemon Parmesan Aioli. Please do watch video until the end. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to at your work. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई। आज भने मैले तपाईहरु माझमा लेमन पार्मेसन ओइलीको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु भने हुन त विशेष गरेर यो टाइपको खानाहरू चाहिँ हाम्रो किचनमा प्रयोग हुँदैन, तर पनि विशेष गरेर चाहिँ जो पनि साथीभाइहरू होटल रेस्टुरेन्टमा जब गर्नुहुन्छ उहाँको लागि यो रेसिपी सुइटेबल हुन सक्छ। त्यसकारणले गर्दा तपाईहरुले भिडियोलाई अन्त्यसम्म हेरेर साथ दिनुहोला र अन्य पनि विभिन्न किसिमका साथीभाइहरूका पुर्याउनको निम्ति तपाईहरुको लागि चाहिँ मलाई एउटा साथ र सपोर्ट चाहिनुहुन्छ। तपाईहरुले चाहिँ धेरैभन्दा धेरै मेरो पोस्टहरुलाई शेयर गरिदिनु होला है त। Lemon Parmesan oily, rich, creamy, and perfect as a dip or spread for fries, seafood, slider, and sandwich. Lemon Parmesan oily ingredients: 1 cup, half cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons lemon juice freshly squeezed, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 1/4 cup finely grated Parmesan cheese, 1 garlic cloves roasted or raw minced, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 or 2 teaspoon olive oil optional for silkier texture, salt and freshly cracked black pepper to taste. Method: in a bowl, whisk together mayonnaise, lemon juice, zest, Dijon, and garlic until smooth. Stir in Parmesan cheese. Slowly drizzle olive oil while whisking. If you want to silkier, slightly looser texture, season with salt and pepper to taste. Chill 15 to 20 minutes for flavor to melt before serving. Chef tips: for extra tang, add a touch of white wine, vinegar, or a splash of buttermilk. Work perfectly as a dip for fried calamari, grilled shrimp, or as a sandwich spread. Can be piped on top of the slider for elegant presentation. Thank you very much, everyone. Please do watch always my post or recipes or videos. Always visit on my profile, then go to photo section or video section. You will find many more lots of recipes are there. And I have other social platform too. Go to my profile and search the find the link, and please go to all of my social apps and stay with me. Thank you very much for your love and support and blessing for me. In upcoming days, I'll try to bring all more and more recipes and many more are post. And धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई। जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ जता हुनुहुन्छ स्वस्थ रहनुहोस्, मस्त रहनुहोस्, व्यस्त रहनुहोस् र आफ्नो लाइफलाई चाहिँ विशेष गरेर मजाले जिउनु, खुलेर जिउनु होला। थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच। आज आउँछ, भोलि आउन नआउन सक्छ है त। जिन्दगी भनेको एकचोटि आउने चोला हो।